Hi, this is Charlie, recording for second MP for CS 498 game development. So to get into it, I could show the design doc, so it'd be easier. So I work with a friend as collabing. So the first thing I have is the health system. I made the health system blue and put on the top left corner, and decreases whenever the player takes damage from any enemy. And I will lose 100 health if I fall off the map. And I also gain health when I'm getting a health pack. And then the border, I just basically made a very large cube, a wall below the islands, so that when the player falls on top, I'll lose all my health. And then I make a new mechanic, a sprint mechanic, and a double jump. I'll just briefly go over this so I can show you the actual code to you. I also made a pursuer, a mortar, for two out of my three enemies that I could choose. And a shaker is my own enemy that I'll explain later. And then unlimited coins, health packs, and I scattered the coins around the map. So I can if I collect 10, that's how I win the game. So going back into the Unreal Engine, we can start off with so I So to get into my this is something weird, but to get into the character blueprint, I could never find it through these folders because I just copied them over from the tutorials. So how I did it was I just type in character in the word outliner and press edit BP learning. So that's how I got it. And so going into that, I guess we can take a look around the map really quick. So this huge white thing is the border, basically my boundary. And so I'll show you the logic for it. This is it basically. You want to look at the viewport here. This is it. Then if I want to go and look at my coins, use the logic. So if I have more than 10 coins or 10 or more, I have a game complete display in comparison to just a regular restart display uh, that would show whenever I failed to complete a level, and I'll show you that in a bit. And this is my health pack logic. I gain 20 health for it. Um, yep. And then the viewport. And if I go into the widgets, this is the restart one. So it's the same thing from MP1. I just borrowed from that. And then here's the logic for that. And if I go to the game completed sign widget, I just added the game completed text box, so nothing too fancy. So yep. And then coin. Just keep the coin tracker. And health bar, if I haven't shown it already. This is it. And this is mine. Alright, and then to go into the enemies, you have to go to enemy types folder. And then let's go into the pursuer first. Here's the logic for that. So this deals with seeing the player and running after it. And okay, I'll show this real quick actually first. So I have a head collision box and a body collision box. So if it hits the head, it delete the player. If it hits the body, the player just be knocked back and take damage. And I go back to the event graph. So that deals this body on component begin overload deals with that. I lose 10 health, I'll get knocked back. And if I die, it display restart. And so then for the head, I'm just destroying the actor, nothing much. And this event tick is for patrolling certain areas within the nav boundary, and I made all these variables public so I can manually set these variables for the first location and second location depending on where I place it around the map. So that's it to it. And then the shaker, similar logic, but its functionality is different where I only take 1 damage because its main purpose is just to shake the screen, basically annoy the player. But all the other logic is the same. So where's the screen shake component? So it's just this. Start manually camera shake, and then I had to create also a new blueprint for the camera shake, and then added all these values. And then going to the mortar, let's go off the main component. This is my mortar, just a puzzle sphere and a puzzle cube on top of one another. Go to the event graph. So we can start off with the box. So I'll get knocked back, take 10 health. take 10 health. Yeah, that's about it. And then the event begin. Oh wait. And then if I hit the sphere collision box, that was sphere and box collision. It just destroyed the mortar. And then this logic deals with spawning for the cannonball I have. So like spawning it within different velocities, and so it just shoots different, like lands in different locations. It have a delay of 3 seconds, so 3 seconds there in the beginning for some reason, and then 4 seconds thereafter. So it just spawn one and shoot one every 4 seconds. And then moving on, so it spawned this cannonball here, and then it started going to this. Oh, that's explosion here. So whenever it hits something, it will just spawn an explosion. That's all about to have, and I have a lifespan of 20 seconds in case it doesn't hit anything. Going to this. So the logic for this, the knockback logic for this, and damage logic is literally the same as all the other enemies. I just copy pasted it from the other classes basically. And I also have a linger for 2 seconds because I made it like a fire explosion, so it would stay longer. So that's why I have that. Yeah, I think that's it. So let's get into the game. So the goal of this game is basically to collect 10 coins, but first I'm going to show you the mechanics. So see, I get knocked back by this guy, and then I press G to fly. It used to be on double spacebar, so my double spacebar is a double jump, so like 1, 2. And I also have sprint on my F key, so I'll go faster. And then if I not go into this box, I get a small knockback. And and then explosion. I take damage from it. If I want to destroy it, I just run top. Oh my god. And then destroyed. I'm gonna die here real quick just to show. Nice. Respawn. Yeah, I'm gonna show me taking damage from an explosion, but I don't think that properly showed yet. Just wait for one to land somewhere. Hopefully. Oh yeah. Ow. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, this is pretty annoying. Wait, I should just kill this. It's smarter. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at my own game, unfortunately. But yeah. No. Okay. Sorry, it's gonna take a while. See, as you can see, they're landing in different areas, so that's good. It's working as intended. As you see, I take damage. There's a slight knockback there, actually, because I just ran through it. So moving on. Okay, let's go to visit the shaker. So where are you? See, as you can see, my screen shakes whenever and I don't take too much damage, which is nice. So that's it follows me all the way out there. Yeah. So like the nav match for that is just top island. The pursuit earlier was down there only. As you can see, it was patrolling earlier. If you didn't notice. And then here's another one. Oh my, I'm gonna die. I need a health pack somewhere. I put them sporadically, not too much, so it makes the game harder. So see, my health pack help. Oh my goodness, I'm like glitched. Okay. There's a coin up here that I need to get. Okay. And I'm going to fly over to here. I want 3 coins. Somehow I haven't died yet. So yeah, it can be decently difficult. Obviously, like a bad player like me, but collect some health, get the other coin, collect some more health. And then let's go look for more coins. I don't even know if I can reach that from this height. I might have to jump on the roof up there, but let's see. Okay, I can reach it. Nice. Collect more of this. Coins. And then I have another patrol going on down there. So as you can see, there's a pursuer and a shaker down there too. So they have their own patrol areas, which is nice. So I'm just gonna jump down here. Collect it. Oh, as you can see, that was a pursuer probably. And I'm just gonna try. And that was a screen shake. So you can see, oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, yeah. How many coins I'm at? I'm at 8. Okay. If I had to restart, that'd be really unfortunate. I think there's a coin here. Don't remember at all where I put them. I kind of just put them randomly around, so let's hopefully. There's one. There's another one hiding somewhere. I'm just gonna have to find it myself. That's a help. Oh my gosh. Okay, I almost died. I think it's down here. Over here. Yeah. So I'll go over here. And there's like floating. So you see game completed. And then if I want to restart the game, I just press this. And perfect. So you restart the game. And if I die down here, forgot. I have no clue if I showed it already. If I hit the boundary down here, I'd die. Yeah, so it takes a little bit of time to finish the level. But yeah, this MP definitely took a long while. It was definitely harder than the first one. I was definitely not up till 4:30 a.m. yesterday trying to figure stuff out. But yep, thank you for listening and have a good day.